Engine and powertrain production. A. W16 engine manufacturing. The iconic 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine is hand-assembled in Germany. Over 3,500 individual parts. Each engine delivers up to 1,600 horsepower. Stress-tested for durability and performance using dynos. B. Transmission. 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Custom-made to handle 1,600 Nm of torque. Shifting time, under 150 milliseconds. 3. Race car emoji, chassis and monocoque. A. Carbon fiber monocoque. Ultra-lightweight and super strong. Made from pre-preg carbon fiber sheets, cured in an autoclave. One monocoque takes up to 4 weeks to build. B. Suspension and brakes. Formula 1 grade suspension and adjustable dampers. Brakes are carbon ceramic discs designed to handle speeds above 400 km/h.